When we're communicating our designs, we often use diagramming. And diagrams are great because we can go and write up a bunch of boxes and arrows on a whiteboard and have a conversation with multiple developers or different stakeholders in a concrete way. So when we make our diagrams, the first thing we want them to be is we want them to be concrete. And this is really why we like diagrams. They give us an artifact that we can look at and debate and have conversation about. So they really start to clarify information that might otherwise be somewhat hidden within a specification. But these diagrams aren't without their own risks. So when we make our diagrams, we also want to make sure that they're not ambiguous. Right, so this goes along with being concrete, but it's important that when we start to write out our diagrams, they contain those key details that we want to have discussions about. If you go and you leave something off that's important, ends up being important, it can make it really hard to have an accurate and useful conversation. And bring us to our next point. So the diagrams we build really need to be accurate. So that means that they're correct within a given tolerance. This makes it a lot easier for the developer to build the system. And finally, the diagrams should be precise. So again, imprecise diagrams go and make it so that developers who are given a design based on the diagrams that you've had debates about will go and build the wrong thing. Right? So we want our diagrams to be concrete, as unambiguous as possible, accurate, and precise.